Hello, welcome to VAD Inspires, and today I want to share with you an idea that I think you find valuable, right? One of my favorite speakers is Jim Rohn, and he once said, don't be a follower, be a student. Take advice but not orders. Take what someone tells you, ponder it. If it makes you think, it might be valuable, but when you go to work, make sure that you do whatever you're going to do as a product of your own conclusion, right? So, and even if you're going to be a follower, follow someone who is a leader, someone who knows what they're doing, someone who can give you enough value so that you can think for yourself. The reason why I do these videos, the reason why I put out this content is not just to build a massive momentum of followers, is to give people enough perspective for them to think for themselves, to see if what I'm saying is valuable to them, or what I'm saying is or might be valuable to them. So that's the key. Whenever you listen to information, don't listen to it like a command. Don't listen to it like a rule that you have to follow. No, you have a mind of your own. You can think. So the key is to be a student, study, be someone who can use his own mind and decide whether something is right for him or her, or whether it's not right. If you're going to be a follower, be an intelligent one, because intelligent followers are students, not robots. If you find this message valuable, wherever you're listening to this, YouTube, Instagram, share with someone who needs this, and subscribe for more. Thank you, and stay inspired.